Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be walking through the Making Magic Manifesting Your Dream deck by Priestess Moon. Ooh, I took this to the forest with me and it's got sap on there. Sorry. Making Magick. Making Magic, Making Magic. That's what all the sides say. This 40-card mini deck features a combination of medieval amulets, Celtic charms, alchemical glyphs, and sigils, along with the explanation of how each symbol can help manifest your desires. I got this in a subscription box. Actually getting a lot of these little tiny decks, and they're really cool. So basically, how to use these cards to boost your spell work, or carry a chosen card to achieve your goals. Lay out your cards, light a candle in front of you, and focus on the desired outcome for excellent results. So there's really no book. You just kind of go for it, which I think is pretty cool. Happy love, protection, prosperity, healing, self-confidence, breaking bad habits, successful career, love charm, mystic star, power symbol, triple spiral, the triple moon, the labyrinth, Alwyn, 3 rays of light, fairy magic, earth, very nice, air, fire, water, spirit, the elements, sun, star, philosopher's stone, abracadabra with wings, the goddess, safe and happy travel, Trinka 5, the festival, little luxuries, one enchanted evening, achievement, on target, time to shine, perseverance, insight, Felix Felicitas, which totally makes me think of Harry Potter, dragonfly, wishes come true, and the tree of life. So these are really cool, like to use the sigil, to use them on your altar, to use them in a mojo bag. Really, really neat concept. I like these a lot. And I definitely have plans on how I intend to use them. They were just, I'm kind of particular in that I don't use my cards until, no matter how much I want to, until they've been blessed in a blessed campfire. And so I haven't really had a chance since we've been camping, because I haven't needed it for any of the works that I've been doing since then. But I definitely have plans as we transition into different Sabbats of the year for this. So definitely really cool. Thank you for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon.